Good morning, students of class 6. This is a crash course video of chapter 2, that is subject and predicate. So this is a crash video. So try to understand the things which you have not understood. Let us proceed with the video. So parts of sentence, subject and predicate. There are two parts of sentence, subject and predicates. Every sentence is made up of two parts. Okay? So when we make a sentence, in other words, we must have a subject to speak about, and we must say or predicate something about that subject. So whenever there is a sentence, we have a subject to speak about. एक subject होता है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, and we must say or predicate something about that subject. और उस subject के बारे में हम लोग कुछ बताएंगे, तभी तो वो sentence complete होगा. So the first part of the sentence is known as subject and the second part is known as predicate. Hence every sentence has two parts. The parts which names a person or things we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. The parts which names a person or things. जो पार्ट किसी पर्सन या थिंग को नेम कर रहे हैं, वी आर स्पीकिंग, और जो हम जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. द डूअर ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ओके, जो हमारे सेंटेंस का डूअर है, दैट इज नोन एज द subject of the sentence. So this is called the subject of the sentence. We can say that the subject of the sentence is the doer of the sentence. All right. Second, the part which tells something about the subject. The part which tells something about subject. वो पार्ट जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सो वी कैन से द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट सेज समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड द प्रेडिकेट. ऑल राइट. The subject of the sentence usually comes first, but occasionally it is put after the predicate as. So what happens, children? The subject of the sentence, जो subject होता है हमारे sentence में, that comes usually, बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब generally it comes first. Okay, it comes first, but occasionally it is put after the predicate. But कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कुछ sentence में it comes after the predicate. For example, here comes the bus. Here comes the bus. So here subject is bus, but predicated here comes. Okay, तो bus तो subject है, subject बाद में आया है, and here comes before. Sweet are the uses of adversity. Adversity is the subject of the sentences of this sentence, and next predicate is first part of the sentence. Okay. This story is very interesting. Okay, here is an example. This story is very interesting. The story is subject and is very interesting is predicate. But if I say in sentence, Ranjit stood in a corner of the room. Ranjit stood in the corner of the room. तो ये भी रंजीत जो है हमारा सब्जेक्ट पहले आता है, and stood in the corner of the room is predicate. But if I say in a corner of this room stood Ranjit, Ranjit is the subject जो कि बाद में आया, and जो predicate है वो first part of the sentence हुआ. Okay, तो sometimes it changes. कोई से कुछ sentences में predicate जो होते हैं वो पहले आते हैं, और जो subject होता है वो बाद में आता है. It happens occasionally. So next is in imperative sentences, the subject is left out. As in imperative sentence, what happen is in imperative sentence, the subject is left out as. तो in imperative sentence the subject is always you. imperative sentence जब भी होगा तो subject जो है वो आपका you होगा. ओके, बट द सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट स्टेटेड. वो सब्जेक्ट है वो उसमें स्टेट नहीं होता है, वो इम्प्लाइड होता है, वो आपको अंडरस्टूड होता है. ऑलराइट, हियर सिट डाउन. फर्स्ट वन इज सिट डाउन. हियर द सब्जेक्ट यू इज अंडरस्टूड. You sit down. Sit down means you sit down. But a subject you is understood. Thanking. Here too the subject too is understood. You must wait outside. Wait outside. I am giving example. Wait outside. I am telling you wait outside. So here wait outside means you wait outside. You is hidden here. Okay. So in some sentences, when imperative sentences are there, you is always left out and you is understood. Okay. In questions and exclamations, the word order is slightly changed. तो in question exclamation जब एक इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस होंगे और एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस होंगे तो सब ऑर्डर्स वर्ड्स जो ऑर्डर होता है वर्ड का ऑर्डर वो थोड़ा चेंज होता है. ओके, एंड द सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट प्लेस्ड फर्स्ट. जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो प्लेस्ड फर्स्ट नहीं होता है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड आउट द सब्जेक्ट इट इज़ ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल टू राइट दिस सेंटेंसेज एज स्टेटमेंट. तो सब्जेक्ट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम लोग ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को, ऐसे एक्सक्लेमेटरी क्वेश्चंस को, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस को वी व्हाट वी डू, वी राइट दिस सेंटेंसेज एज स्टेटमेंट. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग स्टेटमेंट की तरह लिखते हैं, तब हमारा सब्जेक्ट इजली फाइंड आउट हो जाता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैव दे बॉट द बुक्स. हैव दे बॉट द बुक्स, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, दिस इज क्वेश्चन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. वी कैन change it to statement by writing they have bought the book. Okay, now we can easily say, see that the subject is they. अब यहाँ पे easily हम लोग को समझ में आ गया कि ये जो subject है वो हमारा they है. Okay, now second one, how nice you are. How nice you are, this is an exclamation. Okay, this is exclamatory sentence. How we will change it? We may write these sentences. You are how nice. Okay, you are how nice. So here you is subject. So simple it is. Then we will change these sentences to statement. The subject will be clear. All right. Now children, there is an exercise which I am giving you. You have to solve it out. It is too easy. In the following sentences, separate subject and the predicate. Okay, you have to separate subject and the predicate. First one, the cackling of geese saved Rome. Okay, the cackling of geese saved Rome. So what is the subject here? Rome is the subject. Subject is put up after the predicate. All right. Second one, the boy stood on the burning deck. What is the subject? The boy is the subject. Third one, the early bird catches the worm. The early bird is the subject here. Fourth one, stone walls do not make a prison. What is the subject? Stone walls. We are talking about stone walls. Stone walls is a subject. Fifth one, the singing of the birds delight us. So what is the subject? The singing of the birds. Next one, sixth, bad habits grow unconsciously. We are talking about bad habits. That is the subject. Seventh, the earth revolves round the sun. The earth is the subject. Eighth, nature is the best physician. Nature is again the subject here. Ninth one, we cannot pump the ocean dry. We is the subject. All matter is indestructible. All matter is indestructible. So here all matter is subject. It is so easy chapters, children. subject and predicate is too easy. There are some rules which I have explained you. If you will follow this, it will be too easy for you to separate subject and predicate. It is too easy to understand for you. हमेशा जो doer होता है, that is the subject of the sentence. Always in all sentences, the doer is the subject of the sentence, and this part is the predicate. So doer is the subject, and this part is the predicate. Alright, children, I think you would have understood it. So stay at home, study hard, pay attention towards your studies, and be safe.